それでは皆さん、こんにちは。Today I would like to begin covering the new kanji for chapter 20. So let's take a look at our first kanji. This is the I in isha. The I in isha. So meaning like a doctor or medicine. And then the sha in isha is a person who does something, right? So a person who does medicine is a doctor. Isha. So we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 医者のい。Our next kanji is the haji in hajimaru, as well as the haji in hajimeru. So the difference between hajimaru and hajimeru is a transitive, intransitive difference. So, 何々が始まります, something begins. But 何々を始めます is you begin something. So, for example, クラスが10時に始まります。But 先生はクラスを始めます。We will start with this kanji by writing the radical, the onna, and then next to it is the counter dai, which is made up of katakana mu and kuchi. So let's write together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The haji in hajimaru, haji in hajimeru. Our next kanji is the o in owaru and the o in owari. It's made up of this part, the thread, plus winter. So これは1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11。The O in owaru and the O in owari. Our next kanji is ishi. It means a stone. We are going to use this kanji mostly because it is a part of another kanji we will study, but it is also useful to know because it appears in a lot of Japanese names or place names. So we will write, starting at the top here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using this stone kanji, we can start this one. So this kanji is the first kanji in kenkyu, to do research. Kenkyu or kenkyusha, a researcher. So we start with the stone kanji, and then we have this part that we had like inside of akeru. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6、7、8、9。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9. So this is the ken in kenkyu. Next comes the kyu in kenkyu. This one is easy to remember because it has the number 9. It has Q right in it. ですね。So we start at the top with this part that was like a part of sora. And then we have the number Q underneath. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flat and then hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flat and hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flat and then hook. Kenkyu no kyu. Kenkyusha no kyu. Our next kanji is ryu. This is the ryu in ryugakusuru and the ryu in ryugakusei. So this is one that we will see very often. So we are going to start with this part here, and then we have like katana and Tanaka-san no ta. So まずは1、2、3、1、2、1、2、3、4、5。1、2、3、4、5。6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、5。6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、5。6、7、8、9、10。So, これは the 竜 in 留学する. Our next kanji is the yu in 有名な. So this yu means something exists. So it is actually the kanji that we sometimes use for like aru arimasu. Usually if we're gonna write aru arimasu, like we're not gonna write it in kanji. Usually we just write it in hiragana. But if we were to write it in kanji, this is the one we use. So like yume na, something that is yume is something with like a big it has a name. It has like a big important name. Yume. So we write with 1, 2, and then 月曜日の月 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is the kanji that we are going to introduce this week. Be sure to practice both the reading and writing of the kanji so that you can retain them for the long term.